Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely, because your wallet deserves better. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers with a showdown between the Entina 2 and the ELEGOO Mars 4. It's David versus Goliath, folks. Let's see which one stands tall and which one falls flat. Spoiler alert, it might get messy. First up, let's talk about the price. The Entina 2 comes in at a very wallet-friendly $169. Reviewers love how budget-friendly this printer is, comparing it to a friend who always buys you a coffee. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Mars 4 is priced at $249. It's the friend who orders an extra-large pizza with all the toppings and expects you to split the bill. So if you're counting your pennies, Entina 2 is already ahead. Next up, ease of use. Entina 2 is marketed as the ultimate 3D printer for beginners. It's like the IKEA furniture of 3D printers, out of the box, assembled, and ready to go. You can start printing in minutes. Reviewers praise its user-friendliness and quick setup. Meanwhile, the Mars 4 is also beginner-friendly, but let's be honest, it's got a 7-inch 9K mono LCD. That's more resolution than my actual life decisions. Although it's relatively easy to use, some users find the advanced features a bit overwhelming initially. Let's jump into auto-leveling and build plate. Entina 2 has an intelligent leveling system that automatically adjusts the uneven bed. Reviewers liken it to having a butler who straightens your tie for you. Plus, it has a removable magnetic build plate, so you can pop off your prints like they're hotcakes. Mars 4, on the other hand, has a laser-carved build plate. It's like using a laser to carve out a masterpiece. Fancy, right? But reviewers note that it lacks auto-leveling, which can be a drawback for some users. Now, let's talk about build volume. Entina 2 has a compact build volume of 100 by 120 by 100 millimeters. It's perfect for those cute little desk toys or miniatures. Reviewers appreciate its compact design, making it suitable for any setting. Mars 4, however, boasts a larger volume of 153.36 x 77.76 x 175 cubic millimeters. It's like comparing a cozy studio apartment to a spacious loft. More room for your ambitious projects, but only if you need it. Moving on to precision. Entina 2's dual Z-axis rails promise high-precision printing. It's like having a ruler straight out of a geometry class. Reviewers commend its precision and consistency. Mars 4, with its 18 micrometers XY resolution, is like having a magnifying glass on steroids. Every detail is rendered with crisp perfection. So if you're into detail, Mars 4 might just win your heart. Finally, let's look at the user interface. Entina 2 has a 2.4 inches LCD screen and easy offline printing via micro SD. Simple, straightforward, and no frills. Reviewers love its easy access and preset slicing software. Mars 4 steps it up with a 3.5 touchscreen, model preview, and real-time progress bar. It's like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone. More bells and whistles, but do you need them? Overall, the Entina 2 is highly recommended for beginners due to its ease of use, affordability, and precise printing capabilities. Reviewers appreciate its compact design and intelligent features, although the limited build volume is noted. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Mars 4 impresses with its high resolution, larger build volume, and advanced features. While some users find the lack of auto-leveling and occasional resin issues challenging, the overall print quality and detail are highly praised. Thanks for tuning in, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Drop a comment below and let us know which 3D printer you think takes the crown. Until next time, happy printing! Product links are in the description.